they psyched me. I thought I was getting gutters today. They fixed the vinyl, installed the vinyl facet. It looks real good though. Can't wait to see the gutters. Pretty much the gutters is gonna push up against this. Hopefully we'll see a little gutter. Alright, we got old bronze knocking out the glass. Had to replace this wood right here. He saw it couldn't be reused. Good guy. We got, the second window. Guess what? We got one of the windows already finished. So I didn't, these windows don't gotta be open. I just really wanted to go with just, regular old glass. No opening up the windows, increase the security. Let's walk over here and see how he doing on the other one. Hello.
Hey.
I ain't want to creep up on you, just doing a quick video showing y'all progression. Y'all good work out here.
Yes, sir.
Bronze glass. Back. Check out the final products here. Got us one new bathroom window. Yes, sir. Got it all nice and sealed. I'm gonna take the rest of that wood down. But all that's nice and sealed up. Back on out. And we got this bad window here. Then we got this window over here. I'm gonna take all this wood out too. Hopefully it ain't too crazy behind there, because I thought they was, but if not, oh well. We're gonna get that squared away. Alright, go on to the barbershop where the last window was installed. Gotta get the keys out, y'all already know. Big janitor keys. I'm just gonna walk on straight to the back and see what's shaking. Oh yeah, we all squared away. All we messing out is the ventilation, as y'all can see, still hanging as I dive through this junk. But let's get the windows on the outside a look. Big sister pulled up. She enjoyed the windows. Squared away. Just got to do some touch-up paint on her office window, but I like that it's tinted out. Can't really see what's going on. Yes, sir. Fresh start. Windows got a fresh start too. We out here. We are out here. Somebody trying to get official with the referee with the whistle. Here you go. rocking the latest SOAR shirt. Hey, yo.
Here we go.
Hey, hold on. What it say? Who that? COO with the address. Hey, yo. What the back of the car look like? Oh yeah. Yeah, you see what it say. That's the ladies edition. You know, the official gray and highlight pink SOAR colors. Now I'll scroll y'all over here. Big dog with the 200 on. Stack so big the paper broke. Y'all see how we coming. Y'all see what's going on. Come on now. Come on now. Y'all see what's going on. 11:30 Laney Walker. Where you gonna be able to find us? Let's get it. FreshStartz Building. Come holler at us. What's up, Tuk? Say hey. Hey, hey. I'm distracted. Alright. Get on to part 2. Shop closed too. Shop closed too. Forgot to give y'all that final video, but shop closed too. Yes sir. We got heat for my noobs. ATL alumni. Pamper died. Since 1924 we've been pimping. But we finna get up out of here. Y'all have a blessed night. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Shout out to Facebook Marketplace. We got them. For the low. For the low. And y'all ain't never seen nothing like these. Maybe you have. I know I haven't. Hold on. Let me plug these puppies up. Let me plug that up. These are automatic check. And we caught another drive. Come on now. Come on now. Work with me, Facebook. Work with me, Facebook. We just gonna ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Ha. Yeah. Hey, I ain't saying I'm high quality, but y'all might as well come down to the shop, to the FreshStartz Building, if you want to ride on these new electronic chairs. Hello. Gonna touch these puppies up, and we in there. Yeah. Yeah. Welcome to the FreshStartz Building. Come on, man. City ain't finna do it like us. We different. We building culture. We building culture.